Welcome. In this video you can learn how to make half a granny square. I'm just going to be making 4 rounds with you. I'm going to be using Stylecraft Special DK acrylic yarn in this lovely, it's like a yellow colour, it's called Buttermilk, and I'm going to be using a 4mm hook. So let's get started. So to begin, we'll make a double magic circle. Oops. And chain 1. So we're going to start with a chain 3. We've already chained 1, so we're going to chain 2 more, and then all our stitches for this pattern are going to be US doubles, UK trebles. Yeah, so just a normal granny square. So we're going to start off by making a US double, UK treble, so 1 stitch there. We're then going to chain 1, and we're then going to make 3 stitches into this double magic circle. Going to chain 1, and we're going to make 2 stitches. Yeah, and now we're going to pull the circle tight. Oops. So pull the circle tight, and we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. Yeah. So for round 2, we are going to skip that stitch, and we're going to go into that chain 1 space. We're going to make 3 stitches. We're now going to chain 1, and we're going to make 3 more stitches into that space. This is our corner. I don't chain between my granny groups, so I'm just going to go straight across to the next corner. I'm going to make 3 stitches. Chain 1 and 3 more stitches into there. We're now going to make a stitch into that. It's the first chain from that we made on that magic circle. You can either go into the space, or if you want, you can go into the actual chain. It's up to you. I'm just going to go into the space because it's quicker for the video. It can be a bit fiddly. Yeah, so that's the end of round 2. We're going to chain 2 and turn our work. Yeah, so we're going to make 1 stitch here in this space here. Yeah, you see there's your 3 stitches in the corner. So we're going to make 1 stitch here, and then we're going to hop across to the corner. We're going to make 3 stitches. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to make 3 more stitches into the corner. So I'm going to go straight across into this space between our 2 granny groups. You see, I don't chain between my granny groups, but if you chain, you can put a chain there before going into here. So we make 3 stitches in here, and we're at the next corner, so we're going to make 3 stitches. Chain 1 and 3 more stitches. We're then going to skip those 3 stitches and we're going to make 1 stitch into here. If you want, you can make the second stitch into that space, or you can make the second stitch into the chain. I'm just going to go into the space. And that's the end of round 3. Round 4, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. We're going to make 3 stitches, you see, into that space after your first 2 stitches. So we're going to make 3 stitches in there. Then we'll hop over to the corner. Because this is my last corner, my last round, I will be making 2 chains in this corner. If you're going on for a 5th round, you can just do 1 chain here. But it's my last round, so I'm making 2 chains and then 3 more stitches. I'm then going to hop across to the next space, make 3 stitches. After your 3 stitches, hop across into the next space, 3 more stitches. And we're at the corner, so we're going to make 3 stitches. Chain 2 and 3 more stitches into that corner, yeah. So that's our corner complete. We're going to go skip those 3 stitches and make 3 stitches into this space. And then we're going to finish off with 1 stitch. So again, you can either go in between those 2 stitches or into the chain. And there we are, 4 rounds, half a granny square. I like to just chain 2 before I cut my yarn. And there we go, and you can match that up with the 4 round granny squares. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.